yours and you're looking ready to set it on fire. Come on and cha-cha-cha with me, and I'ma cha-cha-cha with you tonight. I like it like that. She working that back. I don't know how to act.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aqnata Dzakira. You can call me Tara. I'm from class of 8 SKS. Today I'm going to explain about the review of science lesson. First, in science I have learned about human reproductive system. In this video, I will discuss the male and female reproductive organ, the process of fertilization, pregnancy, and fetal development. The human reproductive system is a group of organs that work together to produce offspring. Besides the reproduction, this system also produces hormones that are important for growth and development. The reproductive system is divided into two parts, the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. First, let's talk about the let's talk about the male reproductive system. The main organs are the testes, epidermis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, urethra, and penis. The testes are responsible for producing sperm cell and hormone testosterone. After being produced, sperm mature in the epidermis. Then they travel through the vas deferens. During the ejaculation, sperm mix with fluids for the seminal vesicle and prostate gland to form semen. Finally, semen leaves the body through the urethra and penis. Let's learn about the female reproductive system. The main organs are ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina. The ovaries produce egg cell, also called ova, as well as the hormone estrogen and progesterone. Every month, one mature egg is released from the ovary through a process called ovulation. The egg then moves into the fallopian tube. The uterus is a strong muscular organ where a baby develops during pregnancy. The cervix connects the uterus to the vagina, while the vagina serves as a birth canal. Now let's discuss about fertilization. Fertilization is a process in which a sperm joins with an egg cell. This usually takes place in the fallopian tube. Out of millions of sperm cells, only one can successfully fertilize the egg. When the sperm and egg combine, they form a single cell called zygote. The zygote contains genetic information from both the father and the mother. After fertilization, the zygote begins to divide into many cells. While dividing, it travels toward the uterus. After several days, it becomes a blastocyst and attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. This process is called implantation. Implantation marks the beginning of pregnancy. During a pregnancy, the embryo grows rapidly. In the first 8 weeks, it called an embryo. After 8 weeks, it is called a fetus. During this time, important organs such as heart, brain, lung, arm, and legs begin to develop. The placenta also forms to provide oxygen and nutrients from the mother to the fetus. It also removes waste produced from the fetus. Pregnancy usually lasts for about 9 months or approximately 40 weeks. As the pregnancy continues, the fetus becomes larger and stronger. By the third trimester, most of the organs are fully developed, and the baby continues to gain weight until it is ready to be born. At the end of the pregnancy, labor begins and the baby is delivered through the birth canal. In conclusion, the reproductive system is very important because it also human to reproduce and continue the next generation. The male reproductive organ produces a sperm while the female reproductive organ produce egg and support the growth of the baby. Fertilization creates a zygote, which develop into an embryo, then a fetus, and finally a baby. Understanding this process help us appreciate the miracle of human life and remind us of the importance of maintaining reproductive health. Next, we talk about concave and convex mirror and lens, how they work, and the formula used to calculate the image information. Optics is a branch of physics that study light and how it interacts with mirror and lens. Mirror reflect light while lens refract or bend light. Both mirror and lens are widely used in our daily life, such as in camera, microscope, eyeglasses, telescope, and vehicles mirror. First, let's talk about mirror. There are two main types of mirror, concave and convex mirror. A concave mirror is curved inward. It reflects rays toward a point called the focus. Depending on the object position, a concave mirror can produce a real image. The image can also be enlarged, reduced, upright, or inverted. Concave mirror are commonly used in a flashlight mirror, in flashlight, makeup mirror, and dental mirror and telescope. A concave mirror curve outward. Next, a convex mirror. A convex mirror curve outward. It spread light rays after reflection, creating a wider field of view. A convex mirror always forms a virtual, upright, and smaller image. That's why convex mirrors are commonly used as a rear view mirror in cars and motorcycles, as well as a security mirror in supermarket. The formula used for mirror is 1 per f equal to 1 per s accent plus 1 per s, where f is the focal length and s is object distance, s accent is image distance. The magnification formula is m equal to h per h accent, where m is a magnification, h is the object height, and h and h accent is the image height. Now let's move on to lens. There are two main types of lens, convex lens and concave lens. A convex lens, also called converging lens, is thicker in the middle and then the edge. In the bend light rays inward until they meet at the focal point. A convex lens can produce either a real or virtual image depending on the object position. Convex lenses are used in camera, microscope, projector, magnifying glasses, and even in the human eye. A concave lens, are also called diverging lens, is thinner in the middle and thicker in the edge. It bend like rays outward, so they spread apart. A concave lens always produces a virtual, upright, and smaller image. It is commonly used in eyeglasses for the people with a nearsightedness or myopia. The formula of lens is same as the mirror formula. 1 per f equal to 1 per s plus 1 per s accent. The magnification formula is also same. M per h per each accent. Now let's understanding how mirror and lens work. Mirror work by reflecting light. When light hits the mirror surface, it bounces back. Concave mirror collect light straight toward on one point, while convex mirror spread light rays outward. Lens work by refracting light. Refraction happens because light changes speed when it passes from air into glass or another transparent material. Convex lens focus light rays together, while concave lens spread like rays apart. In conclusion, optics help us understanding how mirror and lens produce image. Concave mirror and convex lens focus light, while convex mirror and concave lens spread light. By using the mirror and lens formula, we can calculate the position and size and image. Optic is an important topic because it is applied in many technologies that we use every day. Okay, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. I hope this presentation will be help you to understand the optics and the biology material. Have a good day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video. Bye bye.